Okay, great scholars, let us continue our area of triangle giving two sides and an included angle. In the previous class, I was helping you to understand how to use your four-figure table and how to deal with the sine functions. And I was able to show you how to deal with just a single degree of angle and a 1 decimal place degree of angle. And I said, for the sake of the lower students that are learning the general class, I will not be explaining the difference part or the additional part of the value. I will quickly do that today because it's actually simple. For those that have the ability to carry out this, I'm going to explain today, can as well do that. It's actually simple. This one has to do with having more than 1 decimal place of angle, like you have sine 43.28. Sine 43.28. You want to find the angle. Assuming what you have as the included angle is sine 43, is 43.28. And in the course of applying this formula, then you'll be dealing with sine 43.28. How do you find that? It is wise I tell you quickly, and even the ones in the junior learning level that have the ability to understand what I'm going to say, because I'll try to simplify it in such a way that even the child in primary can deal with this. Now, understanding how to use the four-figure table for just a single number of this type and a 1 decimal place number, let me show you how to deal with the extension of the four-figure table reading of your sine function. Remember I said, always check sine of angles in degree. Sine of angles in degree, not radian. Now, let us look at this. It means I'll be checking for, this result shows that I will check for 43 under 2. Then I will now add the difference. I will add the difference plus the difference. Add difference. So I'm going to show you right now how to go about that. Let us check for 43 under 2. If you check for 43 under 2, let us see what you're going to have. 43 under 2. This is your book. 43 under 2. 43 under 2. Let's see what we are going to have at this point. 43 under 2. These are 43. This is our 43. This is it. This is under 0 because this is 0. The next number is under 1. So 43 under 2 is 6845. 6845. But I said your answer would not be 6845. Your answer will be 0.6845. The first 0 point affects all the number that are on that line. So your answer will be 0.6845. So 43 under 2, 43 under 2 is 0.6845. You will not stop there then because it has an extended number which is 8 point. The second decimal is 8 here. So I'm going to extend my result, my reading. I have here 43 under 2 gave me 0.6845. You extend it, keep on extending in that manner. To the place you have add difference. Add difference. In your add difference, you have numbers from 1 to 9. In your add difference, you have numbers from 1 to 9. So you extend your 43 down to where you have the difference and look for number that is under 8. The number under 8 is 10. The number under 8 is 10. You can see it. The number under 1 is 1. Under 2 is 3. Under 3 is 4. Under 4 is 5. Under 5 is 6. Under 6 is 8. Under 7 is 9. And under 8 is 10. Look at it. It's 10. Look at the 8. That number from 43 under 8 is 10. So you're going to add 10 to this result. You're going to add 10 to this result. So your 10 will be here. Add your 10 here. That is 5. 5, 8, 6.0. So 43 sine 43.28 is equal to 0.6855. Sine 43.28 is equal to 0.6855. Let us see another example. You have sine 76.47. Sine 76.47. It means in this case, I will check for 76 under 4. If I have my result, I'll now extend my checking of 76 down to the difference. The difference, which has to do with addition. Whatever number I have there, I need to add that number to the result I have for 76 under 4. So let us quickly check 76 under 4. 76 under 4. 76 under 4. 76 is not on this list because this list starts from 0 to 44. So I'll go to the next list where we have our X. 76. 76 under 4. Good. I have my 76 here. Under 4. Under 4. Look at 4. 76. You can always place a ruler there. So don't get confused. Place a ruler where you have the 76. Look at 76. Then look at the top where you have your 4. Look at your 4 here. Then trace it down. That number that tallies at that point. Trace it down. That number that tallies. Look at your 4. Trace it down. If I'm looking for 76 under 3, I will go to where I have the 3.3. Trace it down. The number I have there that touches my ruler here, where we have the 76, that is the result I'll be reading. So for 4 now, I have 0.9720. So I have 0.9720. So 76 under 4 is 0.9720. I will now extend my line. My ruler should be able to touch my difference part where we have the add difference. So still follow that same part and go to difference 7. The number under 7 is 3. The number under 7 is 3. So I am going to add 3 to this number. If I do that, I will have 3279.0. So sine 76.47 is 0.9723. That is the result. It's as simple as this. It's not difficult. If you're able to follow the rules given, you will get the answers correctly. Follow the rules. Extend your reading to where you have add difference. So for all numbers that will come in this way in your triangle, this is how you deal with it. So you can do this yourself. In our next class, then we can now fully use our formula to solving our problems that have to do with areas of triangle given two sides and an included angle. But just do this yourself. Do the following. 1 sine 13.48 sine 49.26 sine 84.34 sine 36 sine 15.44. So find out these values yourself. Follow the rules. This one has no extension. Just check this number under 0. These are the ones that have extensions. So check 13 under 4 extend to 8 and add the result you have in 8, you will see my addition. I did not express 3 as 3.000. This 3 is same as 0.0003. That's what it implies. So carefully follow the standard that we have on the board here and deal with your sine functions properly. Get your answers. In our next class, we shall be dealing with solving problems regarding or involving triangles with 2 given sides and an included angle. See you in your next class. Remain studious and ensure you change your world positively. Thank you.